A day in the life of a work from home wifey. Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. So today is Friday, and since it is the end of the work week, we decided to go out for a bit. It's been a few days na nasa bahay lang kami kasi, as I've said, I'm working from home nga. So we thought, why not go for a little break? Habs and I discovered a small snack spot na nagbibenta ng classic Pinoy street food. Banana Q, kamote Q, ubi turon, banana turon, and our all-time favorite drink, the fresh buko juice. Grabe guys, ang sarap ng buko juice nila doon. Super refreshing, especially on a hot day. Tamang-tama pag cool down after a long week. Pero ang ultimate favorite ko talaga yung ubi turon. As in, sobrang sarap. Crispy sa labas, soft and flavorful sa loob. Hindi siya nakakaumay, just the right amount of sweetness. And the best part, super affordable. For just 10 pesos each, 10 pesos sa ubi turon, 10 pesos sa buko juice, busog ka na at sulit na sulit. But if you're feeling extra thirsty, don't worry. Meron din silang larger sizes ng buko juice nila. So whether gusto mo lang ng quick refreshment or something more filling, may option ka B. Medyo malayo-layo nga lang yung lugar from where we live, pero okay lang kasi nakamotor naman kami. Actually, mas gusto pa nga namin yun. Nakakalabas kami, nakakahinga ng fresh air, and the view along the way makes it even better. Road trips are always a win for us. Pagdating namin doon, ang haba na agad ng pila. We almost didn't get our hands on the ubi turon. Muntik nang maubusan. Buti na lang umabot kami. I guess that just shows how popular and delicious their snacks really are. We had a quick bite there, enjoyed the fresh air, and simple vibes. Before heading home, bumili rin kami ng takeout para madala sa bahay ng in-laws. Sharing the goodness, of course. And that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for coming along with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you soon.